Alright, I had to stop there and work with the camera. I think we only had one more thing to discuss, and that was this. In the assignment number 12, I believe, let me see, where was that? Excuse me a minute. I can't find it. I have it all written out right in front of me and I can't find it. I think it was 12, 14, and 16 were part of that assignment on that paper marked 4.3. And we did number 12 together before the students left. So I want to do the same for you. It turns out on number 12, the problem was cotangent of theta equals 5, and they want you to find all of these: sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta, secant theta, and cosecant, just from the fact that cotangent of theta equals 5. And they didn't give us the angle, so we're not in special triangles land. We're out here in the real world where we don't even know the angle. But we know that the cotangent of the angle is 5, and we're supposed to come up with the rest. So 14 and 16 are just like this, so did 12 together, which I'm doing with you right now. Cotangent of theta is 5, so we've got one of them. One down and 5 to go. Well, one thing we know, tangent and cotangent are reciprocals of one another. So this has an unwritten 1 under it. So when we flip it, we get 1/5. So we've got two of them. But how do we jump to sine, cosine, or secant and cosecant? Well, with this suggests a triangle, and we came up with it. We drew the right triangle. Here's the angle that they mentioned, theta, and this again implies 5/1. Well, cotangent is adjacent over opposite, so we can assign those parts to this triangle. The adjacent is 5, and the across opposite is 1. So now Pythagorean will get us the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse squared is 5 squared plus 1 squared, where we get hypotenuse is the square root of 26. And leave it in that form. No decimals, no demonic decimals, so we're going to be exact and do square root of 26. Now do you see how we can get the rest of these? Sine of theta, opposite over hypotenuse, 1/26 rationalizes to 26 over 20, square root of 26 over 26. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is, I didn't do that one right, did I? Maybe I did. Let me try it. 1 over square root of 26 rationalized. I think I did do it right. Square root of 26 over 26. It's hard to see. It did work. Square root of 26 over 26. And this one was adjacent over hypotenuse. 5 over square root of 26. And that, when you multiply that by square root of 26 over square root of 26, you get 5 square roots of 26 over 26. I've never said 26 so many times in my life, except maybe when I was 26, many eons ago. All right, so now I can take these and recall the reciprocal of sine is cosecant. So this one, before I rationalized it, it was 1 over square root of 26. So if I flip that, I get square root of 26 over 1. And if you flip this, flip this and make 26 over the square root of 26 and rationalize that, you'll see you get back to this. And before I did this one, I had 5 over the square root of 26. So if I turn that upside down, I get square root of 26 over 5. let me check this one. This one was 1 over square root of 26, right? All right, so I wanted to show the class how to do this one so that they can now do this one and this one in the assignment. All right, that's it for this class. Again, it's Thursday's class, and we have one more to go tomorrow, and then you'll be back. So hope you're having a really great time. We really do notice the big difference without you there. So be glad to see you again soon. That's it for now.